Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen where we will be making palm nut soup. Palm nut soup is one of Cameroonians' delicacies, so if you are interested in knowing how to cook palm nut soup, then this video is the right video for you, so keep watching. If you're coming across my video for your very first time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you. To begin with, I will go ahead and boil my cow meat and cow skin. I will add about a liter of water, some seasoning cubes, salt and onion. Now that I'm done with adding my ingredients, I will bring my pot to heat and allow my meat to cook. Then I will go on to slice my okra. You can also grate your okra depending on what you want, but for this recipe I would like to slice the okra just as I am doing. But you can choose to slice it in smaller pieces or to grate it. Whatever is good for you is also okay for the recipe. So just go ahead and slice your okra until everything is done. As you can see, I've sliced my okra. My okra is finished, exactly the size and shapes I want it to be for this soup. I will go ahead and add my ready-made palm nut sauce into my pot. For the palm nut sauce, you can get it in most African shops or in the Asian shops, just to let you know. And then I will add some water into it. I will add my tribes. These tribes I'm using, I used it last time to cook. That is the remains of the tribes, but I'm still going to use it. So I will go ahead and add my cow meat and cow skin. Then I will cover my pot and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I will add my spices. For the spices, I'm using ginger, garlic and some ground onion. And now I will go ahead and add my okra. The okra is not a must, so you can skip the okra part. I'm adding okra because I will be using this soup to eat garri. Just go ahead and give it a good mix. Just keep mixing. Just mix everything. I'm also adding some dry fish and fresh fish into this recipe, as you can see. So after adding the fish, I will allow it to cook again for about 5 minutes, after which our soup will be ready to eat. for pepper lovers, you can also add some pepper. So yes, I just added some pepper into the soup. Now to mix, you have to be careful when mixing, otherwise your fish will get scattered. So if you don't want your fish to get scattered, mix gently. And finally, I will be adding some ground crayfish into our soup. This crayfish will give it that flavor and also will help in thickening our soup. At this point, my palm nut soup is ready, so I will just go ahead and make my curry. You can also use any swallow of your choice to eat the palm nut soup. Even rice can go with this recipe. To make curry, you just need to allow your water to boil and then you mix your curry inside and then mix to your consistency. For curry, you don't need much work. Just add your curry and mix until you have your desired consistency. Now that I have attained my desired consistency, I will just go ahead and serve. It's eating time. Yes, that is my curry. So I will be eating my curry with palm nut soup. So you just go ahead and serve, eat and enjoy. Look at that palm nut soup. Isn't that delicious? Isn't that delicious? Yes, so I am serving for myself. I'm going to be eating this plate as you are seeing. See, I'm going to eat this one. Yes, it is for me. I'm craving to eat it, so I'm gonna kill myself. Guys, I'm so excited to eat it. Yes, and that is me eating my curry and bangasoup. Cameroon, come. That is how we eat it in Cameroon. We use our hands, the traditional way, the real way. If you really want to eat this kind of food, you need to sit on the floor wearing a kaba, free wear. Sit on the floor, use your hands and eat well. It is delicious, guys. Thank you all for watching up to this point. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.